Autoclaves are one of the greatest innovations in the world of sterilization. They're powerful sterilizers that can help improve the workload of any medical or dental practice. But to keep these units running smoothly, a lot of upkeep is required. And when you don't keep track of your upkeep, things get ugly. And here at SAS, we see a lot of horror stories come through the shop. So in this video, we'd like to go over some of our most recent findings that show just what happens when you don't practice proper maintenance.
I got a Easy 10K here. It's a 220 volt unit. They bought it in March of 22. So it's just over 2 years old. This has to be the worst chamber I've ever seen. Look at that. That is absolutely disgusting. There's chunks of something in it. This is rancid. Customer sent in their 3870 EA for not powering on. After a little bit of troubleshooting, I removed the cabinet, and upon further investigation, we found our problem. A lizard has crawled inside the cabinet and shorted out the power supply board. That's a new one.
If you have any questions about autoclave maintenance or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And for more autoclave horror stories, keep it here with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. So don't forget to like and subscribe.